To define the essential settings for your vehicle tracking project, you can use the settings window. From the vehicle tracking ribbon, select settings. On the first page of the settings wizard, define the scale that you want to use. Toggle on get below values from drawing where available to use the scale and units from your drawing file. Otherwise, you can turn this off and set an independent scale. Click next in the settings wizard to advance to the unit settings. Here you can set the preferred units for vehicle and part dimensions. Like the scale settings, the unit can be defined from the drawing settings or independently set. To set this independently, you will need to disable the option from the previous scale page in the setup. Click next to the set layer management for your project. If you want Autodesk vehicle tracking to automatically place the entities that you create on separate logical named layers, select use a layer naming convention. Otherwise, all new paths will be placed on the current layer. Click next. It is not good driving practice to turn the steered vehicles while the vehicle is stationary. It is therefore recommended that you limit turn rates. To do this, select limit forward turn rate and limit reverse turn rate. Then click next. The design speed can affect the turning capabilities of the vehicle. If you have limited turning by lock to lock time, at higher speeds, vehicle will not be able to negotiate tight turns. Use the default terms shown here unless you require a special condition. Click Next. If required for your swept path analysis, specify as many or as few these steering limit options, then click Next. To limit the vehicle articulation to a percent or angle, toggle and set these options accordingly. Then click Next. To limit the turn radius at higher speeds, you can enable the dynamics of effect. When enabled, you can choose the design standard and criteria to use. Click next to advance to the final page of the setup. On the finish page, you can specify whether to use the settings that you have chosen for other projects or just the current session you are working in. To go deeper into the vehicle tracking drawing settings, you can click the advanced button and access all system and drawing settings. When you are all set, click finish. In preparation of analyzing a swept path, set the default vehicle that you plan to use. You can do this on the fly while in the command or ahead of time. From the vehicle tracking ribbon, swept path panel, select Vehicle Library Explorer. In the Vehicle Library Explorer, you can select from a vast array of vehicle libraries that come preloaded in the system. You can open a different library and even import a vehicle data. If the vehicle that you need for your analysis is not loaded in the library, you can create a new vehicle into the local pool, otherwise known as your current vehicle tracking project. Browse the vehicle library to find the vehicle that you want to use as your default. Select the vehicle name in the list to display it in the drawing view. Use the tools in the diagram view to confirm that you have the correct vehicle and then make the vehicle your default. Click OK to close the vehicle library. You are now ready to define your vehicle's path.